Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, everybody. Most welcome in this English class. Children, today we have to learn about how to change sentences of future continuous tense or future imperfect tense or future progressive tense into passive voice form. You all are ready to learn this?
Yes, sir.
Then watch, listen, and note it down accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Structure for changing sentences of future continuous tense into passive voice is as under. First of all, object of given sentence is changed into subject. Then will be or shall be is used as per number or person of selected subject. Thereafter being is used. Then third form of verb is used, and by is used additionally, and thereafter subject is changed into object. Practically how this changing occurs becomes quite clear with the help of three examples. Must watch it and note it down. First example is the students will be noting the rules. This sentence belongs to future continuous tense and is already in active voice form. Here the point is to note this the word the student is a subject, will be is obviously helping verb, then noting is fourth form of verb, and the rules is as an object. In order to change this line, in order to change this sentence into passive form, what we do, we follow this structure. Consequently, this object comes first. That means it becomes changed into a subject. So it is shifted first. The rules, then as per number and person of this rule, the word rule will be is used over here. Then being, then third form of verb noted, then by, and then the subject has been changed as an object, that is the student. Earlier the word the student was as a subject. In passive form it becomes used as an object. So the same sentence becomes changed in passive form as under. It is read as the rules will be being noted by the students. Hindi learner needs to understand its Hindi meaning also. So I am going to tell its Hindi translation. The students will be noting the rules means छात्रगण नियमों को लिख रहे होंगे. छात्रगण नियमों को लिख रहे होंगे. In passive voice, when is written as the rules will be being noted by the students, its Hindi meaning is छात्रों के द्वारा नियम लिखे जा रहे होंगे. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. छात्रों के द्वारा नियम लिखे जा रहे होंगे. On telling this passive form with that of prescribed structure, we find it accurately. Still, to clarify this concept, we go for another example. That is example second. They will be helping us. It is already in active voice form. Here, they is a subject. Will be helping her. Helping word helping is here as V4, that is fourth form of verb, and us as an object. In passive form, it becomes we shall be being helped by them. Its Hindi meaning they will be helping us means वे लोग हमारी सहायता कर रहे होंगे. And in passive form, its Hindi meaning is we shall be being helped by them. It means हम लोग उनके द्वारा मदद किए जा रहे होंगे. हम लोग उनके द्वारा मदद किए जा रहे होंगे. This sentence tallies the exactly with this prescribed structure. Let us see example third. I shall be doing this. It is already in active verb form and is a sentence of future continuous tense. In case of passive, it becomes this will be being done by me. मैं यह कर रहा हूँगा. It becomes in passive, it becomes मेरे द्वारा यह किया जा रहा होगा. मेरे द्वारा यह किया जा रहा होगा. In this way, we find that all the passive forms is exactly as per this prescribed structure. For better clarification, we need to change more and more sentences. So 4 sentences has been given here as homework. Change following sentences into passive voice. First sentence is self-defense will be eradicating COVID-19. Second sentence is level of purity and immunity will be combating COVID-19. Third sentence is we shall be driving cars. Fourth, Covishield will be improving global scenario. So you must change all these sentences into passive voice form and get it changed. Wherever you get any problem, you must contact telephonically and physically. I do hope it will help you a lot in changing sentences of future continuous tense into passive voice form. In next class, we will come to learn about future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.